I'm bringing Meatless Mondays back with my spin on a rich vegetarian chili. And I'm always looking for ways to make one dinner that's good for both my vegetarian friends and my meat lover friends. Here's my trick. Any good vegetarian chili needs some meaty mushrooms. And this is why my meat lover friends and family are gonna love this too. You're not gonna miss it. While these cook down, I've got some veggies to chop. Carrot for crunch, peppers for sweetness, and garlic and onion. It's starting to smell like chili. And for the spices, I don't go crazy. Here is my go-to blend that's gonna make this chili perfect, starting with a little bit of warm paprika. Some nice earthy cumin. It's really a staple in any chili. Onion powder for flavor, and a little heat from chili powder. Put as much as you like. This is starting to smell so good. I've got my veg and my spices. Now it's time for some beans. Starting with a little chickpea. I love chickpeas because they're super nutty, but they also hold their shape really well in a chili. Some black beans. They add so much depth of flavor and creaminess to this. And now for my favorite, some lentils. I'm using green lentils and they're super delicious and filled with so many good things for you. Yum. This is really starting to smell good. Now for my secret ingredient. Okay, I'm gonna surprise you with this, but I'm using unsweetened chocolate. Look how beautiful this is. It's dark, full of flavor, but not to worry. This is not gonna add sweetness to this. All it's gonna do is gonna make this beautiful, gorgeous texture to my chili. I'm not gonna lie, it smells chocolatey, but trust me, it's gonna be delish. Now, time for some tomatoes. Tomato sauce thickens the chili. Tomato paste is concentrated richness. Diced tomatoes provide body. And chicken broth for depth. Pressure's on. This would take a couple of hours on the stovetop, but in this, 15 minutes. Look at how pretty this is. Now, whenever I'm entertaining, I always like to put this in the middle of the table and have everybody top their own. But here are a couple of my favorites. I love some nice avocado. It's buttery and rich in this. A couple of jalapenos for heat, because you know I like everything hot. Onions. A little dollop of sour cream. Some cheese. And I like a nice sharp cheddar for this. And here's my spoon. Some garlic bread. And look, it helps me scoop everything up. Look at this bite. The thing I love most about this dish is how nice and velvety and rich it is. And that's really because of that chocolate and that combination of beans Also, I get those spices that we put in there. So that cumin and the paprika and that little kick from the chili. Perfect amount of heat.